The other day, I was listening to someone and they said the stock market is down. And my question is, how did you come to that conclusion? How did you measure a market that has thousands of securities trading every day to come to the conclusion that the whole market is down? How? Welcome to day 7 of Making Finance Simple, one topic at a time. Yesterday, we understood that the stock market is an actual market, and we also understood how it works in reality. But sometimes we hear people say things like the stock market is up or the stock market is down. Did they actually measure all the thousands of securities that are traded every day on the stock markets? No, they didn't. They were referring to stock market indexes. And in this video, I will explain what an index is, how they work, so that the next time you hear someone say things like the stock market is down, you'll get what they mean. The word index simply means an indicator, something that is used to reference something else. And in the context of investing, an index is a list of stocks that is used to reference the whole market. So we know that a single stock is a single share in a company. However, an index is a list of stocks or a list of company shares that have been chosen to represent the whole market or a segment of the stock market. And the stocks in this index, they've been carefully chosen in such a way that their characteristics embody the characteristics of the whole market or the segment of the market they are supposed to represent. So instead of tracking just one stock, you can track an index which includes multiple stocks so that you can get a broader view of the market, because the stocks in this index embody the same characteristics as the market as a whole. As an example, in the US, we have the S&P 500, which tracks the 500 large companies in the US. And in the UK, we have the FTSE 100, which tracks the 100 top companies in the UK. So if I want to make a reference to the UK stock market in terms of performance, I can simply use the FTSE 100 as a reference. So instead of measuring all the companies listed in the UK Stock Exchange, I can easily use the FTSE 100 as a reference point. So the next time you hear someone say something like the UK stock market is down or the UK stock market is up, they are most likely referring to the FTSE 100. And this is why many people, especially beginner investors, love to invest in index funds, because this will give them a broad exposure to the stock markets. In terms of how they are created, these indexes are created by different professional firms. So there are different indexes from different index providers. And even in a single market, you can have different indexes for one particular stock market from different providers. And each of these providers will have their own methodologies or rules they've applied in creating the index. For example, in the US, we have the S&P 500 and we also have the Dow Jones Industrial Average. These two are indexes that reference the US market, and they also include multiple stocks from multiple sectors in the economy. However, the S&P 500 prioritizes market capitalization, but the Dow Jones Industrial Average prioritizes price. So it's important that you also know these rules if you want to use an index as a tracker or an index as a reference point for your investments. That's it for day 7 of Making Finance Simple, one topic at a time. Now you understand what people mean whenever they say the stock market is up or the stock market is down. Let me know in the comments, have you heard that term before, and what did you think of it when you heard it first? Don't forget to follow for more finance made simple, like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.